Buying zinc phosphide. Zinc phosphide is a widely used rodenticide and pesticide. Due to its toxicity and potential hazards, purchasing it requires careful consideration of legal, safety, and environmental factors. Here's a structured guide to help you buy zinc phosphide responsibly. Understand its uses and risks. Zinc phosphide is primarily used to control rodents in agricultural and industrial settings. It is highly toxic to rodents and other animals, including pets and wildlife, if not used properly. Check legal requirements. In many regions, zinc phosphide is regulated due to its toxic nature. Ensure you understand and comply with local laws and regulations regarding its purchase, storage, and usage. Buy from licensed suppliers. Purchase zinc phosphide from authorized and reputable suppliers who adhere to safety standards. Licensed agricultural supply stores, pest control companies, and chemical distributors are common sources. Verify product labels and safety information. Ensure that the product is labeled correctly with safety instructions, usage guidelines, and hazard warnings. Mislabeled or counterfeit products can be dangerous. Consider safety precautions. When purchasing zinc phosphide, ensure you have appropriate protective gear such as gloves, masks, and storage containers to handle it safely once acquired. Check for purchase restrictions. Some regions may require proof of a license, permit, or certification to buy zinc phosphide due to its potential misuse. Be prepared to provide necessary documentation if required. Review application guidelines. Before purchasing, review recommended application methods to ensure you are prepared for its safe and effective use. Minimizing risk to non-target animals and humans. Explore alternative solutions. If zinc phosphide is difficult to obtain or poses too many risks, consider other rodent control methods such as traps, baits with lower toxicity, or integrated pest management practices. Buying zinc phosphide involves more than just the transaction. It requires awareness of legal, safety, and environmental factors. Always prioritize safe handling, proper storage, and adherence to regulations to ensure responsible use.